excited to be here, and I can't wait to see everyone who comes, and I'm already seeing all these beautiful ribbon skirts out here, and it's just an exciting time, you know, for our people as natives, and I just can't wait to see and hear all of the good feedback I know it's going to bring. I'm ready for my close-up.
Popcorn?
Everybody here, like I've been back to Tulsa, OKC. We got
Hey, let's get something out of the way real quick, just so make sure we got crowd participation, we're fired up, everybody's on the same page. We're gonna do the loudest, proudest Skoden you ever heard in your life. All together. And we're gonna do it on the count of 3. Are we ready? Hongen, Hokole, Tuchine, Skoden! The first thing I wanna do tonight is bring up to the podium Principal Chief David Hill. Come on up, Chief.
As you want to know, Jason always takes my line, so, but I can't let him outdo me. So I want to hear all the students on 1, 2, 3. Students! I want again.
Ray Carpet.
Excuse me, a Jotty Carpet.
Johnny.
Yeah, Jotty Carpet, yeah.
Rez Carpet.
Rez Carpet. See, okay. See, you know, they think I got all the ideas. He's the one that really pumps me with the ideas. So, no, it's going to be fun. We're going to have a great time. And
Very nice.
I'm going to pull you up on stage and embarrass you. I'm sorry. Just be ready for it. This is a comedy, so you can pull out your jokes.
Okay,
All
we can do that.
All right, cool.